viewers, good afternoon and welcome to the last round of Rayfield International Nursery and Primary School Inter-Class JETS competition. Watch as the pupil answers as many mathematics questions as possible in just 2 minutes. They'll be coming up to introduce themselves before we finally start the process. So let's listen.
My name is Rayfield. I am in Primary 5 Balsam.
My name is Wang Fonabasil Kemeo Dose. I am in Primary 5 Alamanda.
My name is Manuela Ikoide Mapan. I am in Primary 5 Dandelion.
My name is Manasseh Kore Daniel. I am in Primary 5 Balsam.
We are starting with Trajan Sidu Moren of Primary 5 Balsam. Are you ready?
Yes.
Your time starts now. What is the square of 8?
64.
Multiply 1/3 by 5/2.
5/6.
Correct. What are the prime factors of 32?
2.
Correct. The cost price of a gas cylinder is 8,000. What is the cost price of 3 cylinders?
24,000.
Correct. What is the 7th multiple of 28 of 4?
28.
What is the sum of prime numbers between 1 and 5 inclusive?
10.
Correct. Convert 70% to a proper fraction in its lowest term.
7/10.
Correct. Express 0.000024 in standard form.
2.4 times 10 raised to the power of -5.
Correct. Convert 4/5 to a decimal number.
0.8.
Correct. Approximate 526.51 to two significant figures.
Skip.
Simplify 10 raised to the power -4 in decimal.
0.0001.
Correct. What is the square root of the product of 4 and 9?
6.
Correct. How many hours are there from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.?
6 hours.
Correct. Simplify -17 plus -8 plus -10.
-35.
Correct. How many prime numbers are even numbers?
1.
Correct. Find the value of 60 minus bracket open 70 minus 40 bracket closes.
30.
Correct. Find the HCF of 8 and 16.
8.
Correct. Evaluate square root of 6 bracket open 4 plus 2 bracket closes.
6.
Correct. Find the product of -4 and -6.
24.
Correct. Evaluate 25 minus bracket open -30 bracket closes.
55.
Correct. Find the value. Oh, your time stops now. He was able to answer 19 good questions in 2 minutes. So let's watch the second contestant. Are you ready?
Yes.
Your time starts now. Find the value of W in the equation. 15W minus 30 equals to 30.
4.
Incorrect. Solve the equation 3p minus 5 equals to 10.
5.
5, correct. If 3k equals to 90, what's the value of k plus 3?
33.
Correct. When 3 is added to x, the result is 5. Find the value of x.
2.
Correct. Solve for y if 2/3 equals to 2/y.
3.
Correct. Expand 4a bracket open b plus 2 bracket closes.
4ab plus 4 plus 8.
8a, correct. Solve for p if 10p minus 3p equals to 12 plus 9.
Please repeat the question.
10p minus 3p equals to 12 plus 9.
3.
Correct. Evaluate square root of 9/25.
3 over 5.
Correct. Express 75,000 grams in kilograms.
75 grams. 25 kilograms.
Correct. Evaluate 6 raised to the power minus 2 as a fraction.
1 over 36.
Correct. Find the square root of 20. Sorry, find the
400.
square of 20.
400.
Thank you. That's correct. Express 0.85 as a percentage.
85%.
Correct. What is the 4 prime numbers between 10 and 20?
11, 13, 17, and 19.
Correct. Convert 2750 to Roman numerals.
DCCL.
Correct. What is the HCF of 12 and 20? Has expired. Thank you very much. The second contestant was able to answer 13 questions in 2 minutes. So let's listen to the third contestant. Are you ready?
Yes.
Your time starts now. What is the square root of 81 over 25?
9 over 5.
Correct. Divide 40,000 by 400.
100.
Correct. What is 3 over 5 of the product of 10 and 15?
90.
Correct. What is the reciprocal of 1 over 28?
28.
Correct. Approximate 1.95678 to 4 significant figures.
1.957.
Correct. Given that 22 minus y equals to 40, find the value of y.
Minus 18.
Correct. Given that b equals to 16 and d equals to 9, evaluate the square root of bd.
5.
Wrong. What is 20% of 300?
60.
Correct. Find the value of x if 2:5 equals to 8:x.
20.
Correct. Solve for x if 3 plus 4x equals to 19. 3 plus 4x equals 19. 4, correct. If 3x equals to 27, what is
3.
x? Correct. Express 380,000 in standard form.
3.8 times 10 raised to the power of 5.
Correct. What is the sum of prime numbers between 0 and 10?
17.
Correct. How many ages as a cube?
12.
Correct. When angle 90 is bisected? 45, correct. Express 0.00234 in standard form.
23.4 times 10 raised to the power of minus.
Wrong. Convert 0.25 to fraction.
1 over 4.
Correct. A century is a period of
100 years.
100 years, correct. What is the probability of getting ahead in a
Half.
close of a coin? Half, correct. Find the product of the square of 4 and time is. So the third contestant was able to answer 17 questions in just 2 minutes. Isn't that amazing? So let's watch the last contestant. The time starts now. Are you ready? What is the mean of the following set of numbers? 9, 8, 3, 7, 2, 6.
Skip.
What is the supplement of 60?
120.
Correct. If 50% of a number is 20, what is the number?
40.
Correct. One of the base angles of an isosceles triangle is 40. What is the measure of the third angle?
Measure of the third angle. 100 degrees.
1 degree, correct. A school has 20 classrooms with an average of 30 students in a classroom. How many students are in the school?
600.
Correct. What is 999 in Roman numerals?
CMXCIX.
Correct. What is the square root of 2 whole number 1 over 4?
1 number 1 over 2.
Correct. Find the value of x if in the equation 6x plus 4 equals to x plus 6.
Half.
2 over 5. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle if one of its sides is 7 cm.
21 cm.
Correct. Express the reciprocal of 0.2 as a whole number.
5.
Correct. When two angles add to 180, they are called
Supplementary angles.
correct. 1/5 of a number is 2. What is the number?
10.
A straight line from the center of a circle to any part of the circumference is called
Radius.
in a test, a student obtained 40 marks out of a possible 50 marks. What is his percentage marks?
80%.
Correct. The cube of 0.2 is
0.008.
correct. Find the value of 4 cubed minus 4 squared.
60. No, 48.
Correct. Find the HCF of 24 and 30.
6.
Correct. Sorry about that. The question that was 1/5 of a number is 2. The correct answer was 10. It was correct. It was able to solve how many questions correctly?
16 questions.
16 questions correctly in 2 minutes. That's an amazing one. With me in the hall, our fellow science teacher. Let us see our science teacher, Mr. DJ, introduce himself.
Hello, welcome to this edition of the JET competition. My name is Ekpo David Jacob. I was the timekeeper. Thank you.
All right, good afternoon and welcome to this competition. I was the scorer. It's nice having you around. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And now let's listen to the final scores of that competition. One from Lamanda scored a total of 13 points. Let's clap for him. Manasseh scored a total of 16 from Balsam. And Emmanuel scored a total of 17 points from Dandelion. And Trajan scored a total of 19 points, and he was the man of the day. Well done, all of you contestants. Let's watch out for the second edition of this competition. Goodbye.